Okay, meet this thrifted jewel hair mermaid Barbie from 1995. An absolute icon, but right now her hair is serving combed out straw. Thin, frizzy, and deeply tired. So we're fixing that today. First up, of course, we're going to give it a wash, a shampoo, and a lot of conditioner. Then the boil wash. Hot water helps relax the hair fibers, smooths out the damage, and resets decades of questionable styling choices. Think of it as Barbie hair therapy. Then it's time for the real transformation. I use the straw curl method, wrapping small sections to rebuild the curl pattern and bring back the volume. Yes, it takes patience, but mermaid hair is serious business. A voila from thrift store disaster to voluminous 1995 princess curls prove that the right technique can bring any Barbie back to life.